Hi, I'm Dritan. We're here in LA with David Mallett for Rachel Comey's fashion show. I'm keying the show and we're using David Mallett products. Rachel Comey's look inspired me actually. Her whole vibe, her brand, everything that she creates is very natural, very much about the individual. And that's kind of what we're going off of, the individual model. If somebody has a side part, we're going with a side part. If somebody likes their hair a little bit straighter, we're going with a straighter version of their hair. If somebody has curly textured hair, we're just fine-tuning that and leaving it. For the straight hair, we would use like the hair serum just to define something. Even on some shorter haired ladies, we're using some hair serum just on the ends just to kind of like give it some separation and some fine-tuning. For the textured hair, we've been using a lot of the volume powder. It's probably my favorite product from the line just because the volume powder is your hairspray, is your dry shampoo, is your texture spray. I mean, it's just everything. The cool thing, like I said about David Mallett, is that a little bit goes a long way. So, yeah.
The hair really is inspired by the casting. So they're all such individuals with their own kind of personal style and point of view. So I really wanted their hair to kind of, you know, be theirs, you know, their style and represent who they are, because I think the person really brings a lot to the clothes and hopefully vice versa.